finding fractions of quantities are really easy once you know how to do them. So what you need to remember is that with fractions, you always divide by the bottom and times by the top. So, I'm not very good because you can't see that. So if we have a look at this one here, we want a third of £36. So what we do is 36, which is the amount. We divide that by the bottom of the fraction, which is 3, and then we times by 1, which is the top of the fraction. And if we use our calculator, that will get us 36 divided by 3 times by 1 is 12. And because it's in pounds, it means the answer is £12. Let's try a different one. This one here says 3/8 of 16 ounces. So we do, let's do the colour, 16 divided by the bottom, which is 8, and times by the top, which is 3. So we get our calculators. We've got 16 divided by 8. You might always press equals in between, just in case anything goes wrong. Because sometimes with BODMAS, what they like to do is times 8 by 3, and then do 16 divided by those. But then that's not BODMAS, so that shouldn't happen. But on some mobile phones it does, so you might find that it doesn't work. But anyway, so then times by 3 is 6. And because the answer, sorry, the question is in ounces, it means the answer's got to be in ounces, so it doesn't have 6. So 6 ounces is the answer. Let's try this one. So £3.50 is £3.50. So £3.50 is our amount, and we're dividing by the bottom of the fraction, which is 5, and we're timesing by the top, which is 3. So that will give us £3.50 divided by 5 equals times by 3 equals 2.1. Now remember, it's in money, so 2.1 in money is the same as £2.10, so you have to add a 0 to the end. So the answer is £2.10. So as long as you remember, divide the amount by the bottom and times by the top, you will be totally fine, as long as you remember to put your units on as well. So always put your units on.